cultural trip that also features a visit to a tourist destination in Oji River local government area, and that is what we seek to do in Enugu, to fuse culture and tourism together and promote the both of them in Enugu State, because Enugu has lots of cultural and touristy aspects that we need to showcase to the world, and that's what we're doing today with some of my tour buddies, and it's a good day.
My name is
My name is and I'm also doubling as a chairman, tourism, culture and tradition committee. So this event today is in collaboration with Tour Body. It should be the first time something like this is happening in our community, and we are looking forward for subsequent and more collaboration with other tourism enthusiasts, right? So the event here basically is organized by Tour Body for them to enjoy and feel what we have here. This is Oji Alum. Oji Alum is in Enugu State, and the local government is Oji River local government area. And then the host community is Arumini, hence the name Oji Alum. It's a natural tourist site, one of the tourist sites we have in our community. We have so many of them, but this is one of it. In fact, one of the most popular we have, right? And this place have played host to so many tourism enthusiasts, you know, where you want to chill, reconnect with nature, out of hustle and bustle of the city, back to your roots with bird whistling to you, and then trees like canopy, more like what you see in jungle movie. This is a place. From our background, you can see that people are there already catching fun, unwinding, you know, swimming. We have a river and it's friendly. We've never had any case of people drowning here, right? So it's a very good tourism site. Those things you buy flight tickets, get your visa, spend money and start looking for in Hawaii or other countries. We have it here. Just like you say, that's the way they find for Sokoto, they Shokoto, right? So if you want a quiet place, free from the hustle and bustle of the city, reconnect with nature, Oji Alum is a place for you. And coming this December, we have a show we are planning, tagged Rave in Oji Alum, where we will invite some top A-list artists and some other arts and crafts for them to come and perform. And we're expecting to see a whole lot of people, both locally, internationally, and whosoever that loves fun and love tourism. I want to also use this medium to send a big shout out to the Commissioner of Tourism, Arts and Culture in Enugu State, barrister, in person of Barrister Dem Gochi Madeke. She's been very, very, very supportive when it comes to tourism in Enugu State. And we are so blessed that she's our mother, our sister. She's from this town. So she's been very, very, very supportive. So a big shout out to her. I mean, this is what we are actually talking about. She has given us a platform to export the natural tourist sites we have here to the world for them to see. If she doesn't give her consent and support in what we are doing and subsequent ones we will do, I mean, we will be inspired to be doing what we've been doing and some of the things we've been able to achieve. So thank you so much, madam.
This is a therapeutic experience. Like even the local traditional band, traditional troupe that received us, almost is surreal.
We are hosted by the youth leader of Oji River. The hospitality is top notch, 100 over 100. They've been so receptive, entertaining us, teaching us about the origin of this water and all. I've had so much fun. The best fun for a while.
So there's an interesting interaction here right now. The water flowing this way is pretty cold. Water coming from here is hot. When it gets here, it becomes warm. So this area in particular is a lot warmer. It's like a warm spring you ever go see. So here it's pretty cold, here it's hot, and here it's warm.
This is Oji Alum. You people are seeing me with ncha. No nunde banye. Ana akpe ncha agwala agwo. Ife nji we budi anaka ukan oraneze we fu ya. Ya bukwa ncha. And since nnam ji we mu mo kwata bizizi. Nna afụ ncha na Oji Alum. Ụmụ Igbo ọkwa eziokwu. Onwe onye fugolu ncha ebe a nwa sepụta ata. So ọkwa tata bụkwa izizi ncha nna abịa na Oji Alum. So ya ka nna asị ụmụ Ibe. Bikon, you all are welcome in Alumuchi as the autonomous community. You are welcome. Thank you.